Love should be easy. Why should it not?
Why is itsu ga kuru as a question wrong? Why is that wrong? Itsu ga kuru, I mean, it's wrong, but why is it wrong? Let's look at it. You never want to really have a particle after itsu. You really don't. Because itsu is when, right? And if you say itsu ga kuru, you're saying that itsu is the thing that's coming. Itsu can't come. When, as a question word, can't come. You're literally saying, is when coming? But you could say, tomodachi ga kuru, is your friend coming? But you can't say, is when coming. You really, believe it or not, just say, itsu kuru, when are you coming? Itsu kuru, or the more polite, itsu kimasu ka? But then there are some of you who are thinking, no, God doesn't work because you need the time particle, which we talked about a second ago, ni. So why don't I say itsu ni kuru? Because you can say nanji ni kuru, right? What time are you coming? But guess what? You can't say itsu ni kuru because ni, as a time particle or marker, is always said after an exact time. What does that mean? 3 o'clock is an exact time. It's a pinpointed time, okay? But itsu is not a pinpointed time. It's like literally saying, if you say itsu ni kuru, you're saying, at when are you coming? And here's a rule of thumb. If you don't have in or on or at in the English, you don't want to use it in the Japanese, and that'll almost always save you, right? So for example, how would you say, are you coming tomorrow? Okay, Unko-kun said the extremely rude way, ashita kuru ka? Ashita kuru ka, omae? Eh? You never want to say ashita kuru ka. It's ashita kuru no, or ashita kuru, but ashita kuru ka, very rough. Don't add ka, even though you learned ka as being polite. In a sentence, ikimasu ka, kimasu ka, ashita kimasu ka is polite. Ashita kuru ka? Hey man, you coming tomorrow? Don't do that. But he's right. There is no particle after the ashita. That's the main point. It's not ashita ni kuru, because you don't say, are you coming at tomorrow? Right? So rude. Just so rude. Seriously. Oh, no. Kawaii butterfly? No, it is not ashita ni kimasu ka. Ni is never going to be after ashita, ever. Even kyo. Kyo kimasu ka? Are you coming today? Because in English, remember, the rule is, if you don't say in, on, or at, in English, you're not going to use the ni. Okay? Now here's the obvious next question. How do you say, are you coming in March? Are you coming in March? Remember, in, on, or at. Oh, come on. Correct. Someone who I can't read yet because of the delay. Someone will say it. 3月に来るの? Are you coming in March? Correct. 3月に来るの. That's where the ni is. 3時に来るの? Are you coming at 3 o'clock? 3時に来ますか? Could you say 3時来ますか? No, it sounds wrong. You could, yes. Just like I can give you broken English, you don't understand it. You come March? You come March? You come 3 o'clock? You coming 3 o'clock? Makes total sense in English. But are you coming at 3 o'clock makes more sense. There you go. That is the answer. Now, did I say that you could never use ga after itsu? Because it doesn't sound right. Itsu ga kimasu ka is never, ever, ever right. But is there a time when you could use itsu ga? Absolutely. Here it is. Itsu ga ii desu ka? Itsu ga ii desu ka? When is good, because what are we talking about? We're talking about when. When would be good. You could say also, nanji ga ii desu ka? What time would be good? Because now that's the subject. That's the thing you're asking about. Is that good? Good question. Thank you very much.